Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about Caesars Entertainment, and billionaire activist investor Carl Icahn is betting big on the company. As a result, the stock soared on Friday's price action. Now Icahn remarked that he liked the management team and had no plans to spark change. Carl Icahn is an activist, so what he does is he gets a number of shares, or he gets on the board, and then he likes to shake up things for the better, in his opinion. Nevertheless, like I said, we saw this surge from $32.34 up to as high as almost $38 before some profit taking took place, and price closed at $35.56. All right, so to kind of get a perspective of where we are, we need to scroll up to the larger time frame. So we're going to go from a daily to a weekly, just to kind of see what that price action looks like. All right, so off the back, I see we have some sellers. Near that $68 level. Right, you had a drop in price, a couple of basin candles and a drop. Price attempted to come up, but could not get there. Now, pretty much, price has been in a sideways market for quite some time. And that range is roughly, wow, $20 range. All right, so I like to look at current price. I like to go down and go to the left. This is the pandemic lows. And if you look at the volume bars, there's definitely buyers down at this level, which is roughly $15 below current price. All right, so let's go down to the daily chart again. When trading, you have to act like a surgeon at time and find where that precise level where there might be buyers and sellers are. All right. So we have a gap higher here. Not really seeing much. I'm going to scroll out to the monthly chart. All right. So near, let's put this is a wick over wick. So in theory, on a smaller time frame, this would be a rally-based rally. That is roughly a $10 level. All right, let's scroll back down to the weekly chart. You have a rally based and a rally out. You have resistance here at the rally base rally. Going back down to the daily chart. Not seeing it yet. Going down to the 8-hour chart. Not seeing it. Going down to the 4-hour chart. And I won't go down any lower. Gap higher here. Price pulls back into that level. Pretty much got a gap fill. Alright, so here's how I would play it. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. There's definitely buyers down here looking for price to move lower. Right now we have price breaking down and below this sideways price action, but if price is going to go down, it needs to close below the last pivot low from back in October of 2022 at the $32 level. You have a gap fill at $24. This is sub 20, so prices can go lower. With all that said, let's talk about Carl Icahn once again. Hotel and Caesar giant Caesars Entertainment was up big on Friday following a major development. Billionaire investor Carl Icahn, known for his activist campaigns, recently revealed a sizable position in the stock, according to people familiar with the matter. Along with investor speculation on the disclosure, Caesars might become a target for a short squeeze. Now, according to a Bloomberg report, the size of Icahn's stake and his intentions couldn't immediately be learned. Interestingly, as news broke about his wager in the stock, Icahn told CNBC that he was satisfied with the underlying company's management team. Most notably, he stated he had no plans to generate an activist initiative. All right, so we kind of looked at things on the downside. Again, kind of looking at this price action in this range. Might be something here at the $52 level. You had a rally, and then you had this M pattern form. Price tried to come back, but couldn't. So there might be some sellers here, but really no setup at the moment. Sometimes you have to just wait things out, and that's part of trading. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.